nature! Sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.
S1 Smart Lock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.
Imagine a wearable device that is made for you, with personal recommendations and data, and that you'll love wearing night and day because of its customization possibilities, classic style, and featherweight. That's why we created Circular. In the past few years, we've seen a lot of excitement for wearable devices, but they also come with flaws. They're too bulky, too gadget-looking, they lack personalization, or they're giving you raw data without telling you how to act upon it. And that gives us an overall bad experience with wearable devices and makes us question their usefulness. And we're convinced that we haven't unleashed their true powers yet. So we want to change here at Circular the way we see them forever. Introducing Circular, the most advanced wellness smart ring. The idea was to create a device that would extend personal capabilities. From the beginning of your day by waking up smoothly with smart alarm to combat sleep or night shift for good, to your sports session with deep activity metrics and unique insights, to even getting notifications directly on your finger, all the way to breaking down your sleep. Our main focus is to make sense of this data. Your metrics are compared to your own averages and baselines to create very personal suggestions. For those who believe a ring should be first and foremost a fashion accessory, we conceive Circular with beauty in mind. We've designed changeable outer shells made of polished titanium to match every occasion. A fancy dinner? Simply slide a classy outer shell on. Going for a run? Choose the black fit outer shell. Possibilities are endless. And for the self-quantifiers out there who might question data quality, well, we love exploring new biometric correlations as much as you do. Our sleep and activity analysis have advanced components such as HRV, energy level scoring, and advanced tiredness calculations. You'll be empowered with data like never before. The Circular ring is water resistant, scratch proof, has built-in data storage, and is only 4 grams. Paired with the Circular app, customized features include a smart alarm clock, intuitive sleep analysis, activity analysis, and alerts. And there's a lot to come in the near future, and your ring is hardware ready for future over-the-air updates. We've combined the wonders of miniaturization with the magic of machine learning, state-of-the-art prediction models, high-end design, and the most packed and tiny PCB in a wearable device. We're excited to be on Kickstarter, and we can't wait to bring Circular to you.
Do you ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well. And you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found Hire TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
TAB Tablet has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Hire TAB is an online company that is part of the Hire Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.